Hey everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Hima and today's video is a flip through and review of the ultimate sticker book by the brand Space and Beauty. Now this sticker book actually comes as a freebie along with their Let's Goal 2021 planner. I have done a full video of the planner unboxing and review, so if you haven't seen that already, I will link that video somewhere here or in the description box below. The sticker book features in that unboxing video as well, but it is so pretty that I thought it deserves an individual flip through and review of its own. Plus, if you already have purchased another planner, you have the option to just buy the sticker book as well from their website. The sticker book is available for sale individually. I will post a link for it on their website in the description box as well. Now I have two of these sticker books. Why? Because I'm that crazy sticker lady and these stickers are so pretty that I know if I have just one sticker book, I will not want to use the stickers at all, and I would probably be that person who's buried with all her stickers because she never used them. At the time that I purchased the sticker book, it had a pre-order discount going on, so I purchased it for 776 rupees. Now its price has slightly increased because the pre-order period is over. It's a very compact little book that opens like a notepad. The pages are all glued together. There are some really pretty illustrations on the cover, although don't go by these particular illustrations. The sticker book doesn't necessarily have these illustrations in it, but whatever is inside is equally pretty, as you will see for yourself in a minute. On the back it just says made with love and the name of the brand is right here. Now in the description of the sticker book on their website, it mentions that there are over 1,000 stickers in this book. Is that true? Well, I actually counted, so you don't have to. There indeed are technically more than 1,000 stickers in this book. To be precise, I think the exact number I counted was 1124 stickers, although I may be slightly off with the numbers because I'm very impatient when it comes to counting stuff. Now that we're done with the long introduction, let's get into the actual flip through. On the very first page, there are these stickers that suggest activities you can do to unwind as well as feel productive. There's stuff like knit a scarf, declutter your closet, lie around in bed, call an old friend, etc., with very pretty aesthetic illustrations to accompany it. I call these the Yuga stickers because they actually complement the Yuga mood board that the planner has. There are a lot of other spreads in the planner as well where you could use these stickers, like the make yourself a priority page, the morning and evening routine, as well as the dream board. On the next page again, there are more Yuga stickers with things like start a gratitude diary, write a letter to a friend, and take a bath with salt and foam. Then there are these small one-word stickers that just say stuff like important, meeting, remember, workout, don't forget, and meal plan. These are nice to stick next to a task that you want to bring your attention to because they're bright enough to grab attention but still small enough that they won't occupy too much space. Then the next 3 pages are just these round decorative stickers. Personally, I like using these on the monthly grid of my planner for days that I don't have anything marked on the planner, just so that the space doesn't look empty. I usually use these stickers on my planner to cover up empty spaces, and they also make the planner more colorful and fun. Then there's a page full of these really pretty stamps. You can use these on letters to your friends and family or just as decorative stickers for your planner. I love the illustrations on these stamps. They're very festive and they look really cute on envelopes with Christmas cards or even birthday cards. Next, there's a page full of functional planner stickers. So there's a water reminder, wake up reminder, morning workout, I can, note to myself, some buttered bread with strawberries that says yum, which you can use for meal planning, a banner that says today, don't waste time, and some small circles which say this. These are useful to stick next to an important task or event that you want to bring your attention to as soon as you open your planner. Then there are some pretty botanical illustrations of plants and leaves. There are also these really tiny stickers here, like these individual little leaves, and you can pair these up with other stickers or just stick them on your planner in the background to look like little confetti. Then there's a page of these black and white like motivational quotes with stuff like trust the process, follow your dreams, create your own path, etc. Because who doesn't like a little dose of positivity in their planner, right? Then there are again some, I could say these are Yuga stickers again, but in a different style of illustration. These are a little more like cartoonish. They say stuff like good morning, good night, hello sunshine, bath time, and me time. Then there's more plant stickers. Some food stickers and some planning and productivity stickers here at the bottom. An entire page of flat lay cups with different kinds of beverages in it. These are my favorite. They are so aesthetic and I'm a big fan of coffee stickers. I can see some green tea here, a matcha latte, a cappuccino, a hot chocolate with marshmallows, some black coffee and a lot of other beverages as well. Next are some cacti and succulents with these cute kawaii faces. Next, there are some pretty decorative stickers again. There's a scrunchie, a smartwatch, AirPods, some shopping bags, and other stuff. What I love the most about these are the pretty rose gold peachy colors. They're so soothing and so aesthetic. I already know I'm going to use these with a very heavy heart because they're too pretty to be used. Then there's a page full of party stickers. There are small confetti stickers, cakes, flowers, candies, a disco ball, and all that jazz. Then there are more decorative stickers. This book has so many decorative stickers, which is kind of perfect because I already have my Pipstick sticker book for the functional stickers for the planner. That is another sticker book that I highly recommend. I have made a flip through of it and I will link that video in the description box as well. Then there are some travel themed decorative stickers. Next, there are Christmas themed decorative stickers. These are again my favorite. Next, there are some recycle and go green stickers. They are very pretty and so unique. I love these a lot. Next, there are these stickers with a sort of a cartoon aesthetic again. I can't really think of a specific use for these, but they're small enough that you can use them to fill up empty spaces in the monthly grid or just use them to decorate empty spaces in the planner to make it look bright and fun. More food stickers with a lot of cakes because who can resist cakes, right? More environment and recycle stickers, but with a different style of illustration again, a little more cartoonish. I love this sheer amount of variety in terms of the drawings that this sticker book has. Some autumn come winter stickers. Then this whole page with 16 of these empty boxes. You can use these for marking tasks or lectures if you're a student. And these small stickers that say stuff like note, remember, to do, my plan, important, and don't forget, which you can again stick beside important tasks and events to grab attention. Again, a page of decorative stickers in pretty pastel shades. Next, there are more decorative stickers, some round stickers with a phone for call reminders or reminder to pay the phone bill, some check marks for tasks done or to be done, and some hearts for marking events like birthdays or anniversaries. Then again, some more decorative stickers with the same stuff at the bottom on the next two pages as well. And finally, on the last page, more small round decorative stickers. And that's pretty much it for the flip through of this sticker book. There are 32 pages in total with 1124 stickers. For 776 bucks at the time that I purchased it, this was well worth its price for me. Whether you think it's worth purchasing now is something that I leave up to you to decide after watching this flip through. If you liked this video, do give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Comment down below and let me know what you'd like to see more of on this channel, and I will definitely try my best to make more of that kind of content. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.